So we just want to help you to realize first that everything that you want is unfolding for you. Jerry talked often about how great it would be to write a book, a very clear explanation of how thoughts turn to things. And we say we want the book to be broader. We want to talk about how vibration turns into thoughts that you receive. And as you follow the trail of what you're receiving, then those thoughts turn to words and actions and experiences. In other words, that's just the way that it is. Yesterday, we were talking with a woman, and she was telling us about her wonderful life, and it is. And she was explaining to all of us that she was wanting $100,000 because she wanted to take a trip, a journey. And so we explained to her that she wants the manifestation before she starts her journey. But we wanted her to know she started the journey long before. In other words, there's a vibrational journey that will turn to the ideas, that will turn to the whatever, that will turn to the whatever, that will lead to the journey that she wants. But when you get fixated on something that you think you need, I need $100,000 before I can continue my journey, we just want you to realize you have been continuing the journey, and you must be aware of the journey before the money. Are you following? There's a vibrational journey that you must be aware of and you must be tending to. We're certain that once she gets that $100,000, she'll start making good plans. She'll start thinking about where she's going to go, and she'll budget her money well, and she'll make the best use of those resources. But most of you are not even coming close to making the best of the resources that are leading you to the 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 money. You want to leave all that part out. You just want to jump right to the money, then you'll plan your trip. And we want you to understand that the journey is long before the trip, and there is so much joy in the journey that led to the money. In fact, we are certain she will have much more joy in the journey that leads to the money than she will the trip she takes with the money after she gets the money. But most of you don't understand that. You think you can't start being happy till you get something that makes you really believe that now you can take the trip. And so that's really what we want to talk about. We want you to feel the realness of the vibrational journey that you're taking. We want you to revel in the things that are happening to you all day, every day, as you are guided to this and this and this and this and this. We want you to begin to be aware of how often you are being guided, and be proud of yourself when you are consciously aware that you are receiving the guidance. Because those kinds of things, if you will let it happen to you all day, every day, will cause you to feel, finally, a sense of worthiness, a sense of belongingness, a sense of being cared about, a sense of right place, right timeness that is necessary for you to accomplish before the beautiful life that you are wanting can be yours. You got to get in the receiving mode of it.